Hello children, take out your EVS book, page number 34, 35. Today I am going to teach you about our neighborhood. Topic number 6, our neighborhood. Children, do you know what do you mean by our neighborhood? Let me explain you. Look at these pictures. There are many places. Yes or no? School, hospital, police station, church, post office, fire station, and many more. So, all the places that are near to our house make up our neighborhood. Okay. So, when we go out from our house, we can see many places. Yes or no? We can see school, we can see hospital, we can see police station, and many more places. So, all the places that are near to our house make up our neighborhood. So, now I will explain you how all these places help us. School. Why do we go to school? We go to school to learn many good things and to learn how to read and write. So, we should go to school regularly. Library. We go to library for reading books. Library is a place where all kinds of books are available. Okay? Then comes hospital. We go to hospital when we are sick or injured. There are doctors and nurses to take care of us. Okay, tell me children, when we suffer from fever or when we fall sick, what do our parents do? Our parents take us to hospital. Okay, then the doctor prescribes medicines to us. Now tell me, where we will get these medicines? We will get these medicines from the pharmacy. Pharmacy means medicine stores where all types of medicines are available. Then comes police station. What do you mean by police station? It is a place from where policemen control the law and order of the area. They also take care of our security. For example, when a thief steals something from our house, what we will do? We will go to the police station and we will give complaint. Okay, then the policeman will catch the thief. Then comes fire station. Fire station is a place where fire engines are kept ready to put out fire. Okay, whenever there is any fire accidents, we call the fire engine to put out fire. Okay, then comes park. You know children, when games period comes, where do we go? We go to park to play and enjoy. Yes or no? So it is a place where people go to enjoy and relax. Okay. Then comes places of worship. Places of worship like temple, mosque, church. Why do we go there? We go there to offer our prayer. Okay. Supermarket. What do you mean by supermarket? Supermarket is a large self-service shop, okay, where we can buy groceries, household goods, clothing and foods. Have you ever seen Big Bazaar? Yes, in Big Bazaar we can buy anything. We can buy toys, we can buy clothes, we can buy food, we can buy chocolates, we can buy anything from the supermarket. And last, cinema hall. What do you mean by cinema hall? Cinema hall is a place where we watch new movies or film on a big screen. Okay. For example, Jurassic Park, Koi Mil Gaya. Yes or no? And we go to cinema hall with our parents or brothers or sisters. Okay. So, when you go out from your house, you can see all these places. So, and these places are known as our neighborhood. Okay. Now, let's move to question answer part. Take out your EVS copy, everyone. See? Our neighborhood. Topic number 6. Question 1. Name 4 places that we can see in our neighborhood. Answer: Temple Park, School, Hospital. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. We go to dash for reading books. Library. Question number 3. Tick the correct option. We go to church or park to pray. We go to church. Put tick mark on church. Question number 4. Circle the correct answer. Where do we go to study? School, market or post office? Answer is school. Circle school. Okay. Now copy this in your EVS 4-line copy in good handwriting. Thank you.